So you got your shiny new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU and you want to squeeze what you can out of it to make it even more powerful. So that is exactly what you need. Power. But not just any kind you can throw on it, alright? It has to be efficient, reliable, and most importantly, safe. And that is what we'll talk about. What is up, good people? This is Jay, and in this video, we'll talk about the new XPG CYBERCORE II PSU that is 80 plus and cybernetic certified with a 12 volts high power connector, ATX 3.0 ready, and a whole lot more. So let's get at it. Alright, so let's quickly unbox the XPG CYBERCORE II power supply unit. From the get-go, we get a packet that includes the XPG sticker set and the quick start guide. Next, we get a pouch that includes the following: the power cable, a bag with all the connectors that we need, a set of zip ties, screws, and going back to the box, of course, the PSU itself. Now, time for us to know more about it. Coming from the previous CYBERCORE version, I can confidently tell you that its power efficiency is great. Plus, the demand that I put on it overclocking my 13900K CPU and 3090 GPU didn't give me any problems at all. That being said, upgrading to the latest GeForce RTX 40 series GPU comes with a new standard, the 12 volts high power connector, which you can find in ATX 3.0 compatible PSU, just like the XPG CYBERCORE II power supply unit. Now with this connector, you won't have to worry about your GPU blowing up or if you've connected it correctly. The 12 volt high power has its own slot in your PSU, so you really can't mess it up. The XPG CYBERCORE II utilizes an all-Japanese high-quality 105 degrees Celsius caps that gives us stable, consistent, and efficient power delivery. On top of that, the XPG CYBERCORE II's power delivery is optimized by a digital control panel that controls, commands, and optimizes its power delivery's efficiency and stability with accuracy, among other things. Next is its DC to DC circuit design that minimizes ripple noise, avoids unbalanced power load, and acts as a protective safeguard to its components' longevity. Moving on to the CYBERCORE II's interleaved PFC or power factor correction. This regulates and stabilizes voltage and distributes power at its optimal efficiency, leveraging two chokes that alternate each other, reducing power loss during conversion. And it being an active PFC, it provides a more efficient power efficiency and automatically corrects a full range AC output voltage. Now, with all that power, you might be worried about its temps. Well, you'll be at ease with the XPG CYBERCORE II as it is being cooled by the built-in XPG Vento Pro 120mm PWM fan that is the birth child of their collaboration with Nidec. Now, I've used this fan on a PC setup and real talk, using it on a PSU is a little bit of an overkill, but even with that much cooling power, the XPG CYBERCORE II's fan curve design will give you a longer life and less noise. We've reached a point where investing a good amount of money on your PC rig is somewhat the norm, especially with PC gamers. And with that, you want to get the best components you can get without breaking the bank. But at the same time, you don't skimp on the things that are important to you, because just like what they say, you get what you paid for. And speaking of the best, the XPG CYBERCORE II ranked as top 3 performance PSU on Hardware Buster's best ATX 3.0 PSUs. So I guess it's safe to say that I found the perfect PSU for my rig with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU. Well, that is it for us in this video, so thank you so much for watching. Now, for their latest products and offers, don't forget to check out XPG on their socials, and of course, for questions, suggestions, comments, and whatnot, the comment section is always open, or you may hit me up on my socials anytime. Again, my name is Jay, telling you to keep that smile, stay positive, and don't forget to rock on and rock hard. XPG.